Morning everyone. We're out with the dogs a bit later today. It's now 11:05 as they have a dog sitter coming round for this afternoon and the whole evening, which means only one thing. We are going to be camping in there tonight. The whole afternoon and a whole night to ourselves. We do this walk quite a lot. It's one of our favourites. We've got the Larchwoods here, cuts through, lovely footpath goes all the way through here, like a little archway. Got the pig farm there. But this field here, some evenings, is full of hares. So we have great fun trying to walk the dog around that side. This is inside the little bit you just saw, nice little tunnel. That's the side we normally camp. We've camped in there a fair few times. Tonight we're going to venture through here and camp on the edge of here. Hopefully, it's not looking great weather-wise, but it would be nice to get a sunset or a sunrise. But I don't think the weather's going to play ball. But no, it should be nice anyway. At last, we're out. Dogs all looked after. So they'll be happy for the night. Just got to grab some birch on the way, which we used it all up in our last camp. A perfect tree. Love walking past this tree. Got plenty on it. That should keep us going. Ah, I wonder where I left it. That's when you know you're camping. Hello again. What a difference from 11 o'clock this morning. The sun actually came out. It's chasing the clouds at the moment. There's been hares out. Swallows are dive bombing all the bugs on the crops. What an absolute beautiful afternoon we've had. Just looking forward to the sun going down, little fire and some nice food.
Got our fire pit ready, haven't we?
Yeah.
Dug all the grass away to bare earth. Got the wood ready. Dean done most of that. I got the kindling. Looks like we're going to get a sunset.
Hopefully. Sparrowhawks up ahead. They're looking for a pigeon. There he goes.
Where is he? There.
Chase that pigeon then. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to get the sunset we wanted, but still an amazing afternoon, and we've still got the whole night ahead of us yet. It's going to be amazing.
There's all that cloud now coming in. So tonight we're going to fry up some tomatoes, some mushrooms, look at them, some asparagus, and because it was short notice we've just got burgers, but it's going to be nice, isn't it?
And no ketchup.
Yeah, I forgot the ketchup. So, and the sun has definitely gone. We're going to be starting a fire soon. I think you're going to do flint and steel?
Yeah, flint and steel if I can find a good tinder bundle.
You have to go hunting over there. There he is, look. Looking for some tinder. Looks like he's found some. Do you think that'll take alright?
Hopefully. What I've got, we'll soon see. Just putting some green sticks in, hold the grill, which is so much easier for cooking on. We need another one here. Is it about there?
Yeah.
There, try that. There you go. Right, got a flint and steel from Beaver Bushcraft. They do the most amazing little kits. Get that out of the way. You can wear it as a little necklace. Beautiful little steel. Nice flint. They do give you some tinder, but I do like to make my own char cloth, which I think is so much easier. So I am going to give this a go and see if I can do a flint and steel. Throwing plenty of sparks, but just not in the right place. Just need one spark.
we've got a little one.
There you go. That's all it needed. All we wanted, just that little spark.
Look at these chips. These always come out nice on the fire, don't they?
Okay.
These mushrooms look so good.
On go the chips. You cannot beat burger, chips, asparagus, tomato, mushrooms. Oh,
Look at that.
nice fire. Amazing.
Got some sea salt.
Not sunset.
No sunset. No ketchup.
No ketchup, but some sea salt. You don't get better than that. That's for sure.
Dean's gone over there somewhere to try and find the trail cam. I'm going to start breakfast soon. We've just had coffee. Going to have sausage, baps. I'm just going to use the gas stove. This is all we got, just one little deer.
Away. Leave no trace as always. That's where our hammocks were. That's where the fire was. No signs. Bloody good night.